Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you're all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell button so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Please share the videos with others or in the internet. In the last episode of Know Your Personality segment, we elaborated on the positive traits of the Enneagram personality type 3, the achiever and the performer. In today's episode, we spell out the shadow traits or challenges of type 3 people. As a type 3 person, some of your basic fears are you fear failure and being worthless. You fear not being recognized and acknowledged, being unaccepted and unloved. You fear being perceived negatively. You fear reconciling or coming to terms with your emotions. As a type 3 person, some of your dominant shadow traits are you focus too heavily on personal image and how others think about you. You want to be seen as successful, and hence you are anxious about showing yourself as successful. You tend to seek personal validation from others. You have the difficulty in accepting failure from yourself and others. You tend to lose touch with and avoid your feelings. You tend to be insensitive and overly competitive. At the average levels of development, you are highly concerned with the performance and doing your job well. You constantly drive yourself to achieve goals because your self worth depends on them. You are afraid of failure. You compare yourself with others in search for status and success. You become a careerist and a social climber and invest too much energy and time for being the best. You are conscious of your image and concerned about how you are perceived. That which motivates you is what others think about you, the expectations of others, or what you need to do to be successful. Though you are pragmatic and efficient, being caught up in your activities to boost your image, you lose touch with your own feelings beneath the smooth facade. As a result, you experience problems with intimacy and credibility as your phoniness emerges. You want to impress others with your superiority. You promote yourself by presenting yourself more than what you really are. You have an inflated notion of yourself and your talents. You manifest arrogance and contempt for others and use them to defend your feeling of jealousy at others' success. At unhealthy levels of development, your fear of failure and humiliation can make you exploitative and opportunistic. You can covet other people's success and claim it as your own to preserve the illusion of your own superiority. You become deceptive in order to cover up your wrongdoings. You are untrustworthy and malicious. You are jealous of others' success. You may betray others or sabotage others' success in order to triumph over them. You become vindictive and attempt to ruin others' happiness. You are obsessive about destroying whatever reminds you of your own shortcomings and failures. As a type 3 person, your goal of gaining personal validation from others through success you achieve in your projects and your efforts to appear successful before others make you, firstly, to constantly live in the state of anxiety and fear as you are afraid of being unsuccessful in your projects, being seen as a failure by others, and not being acknowledged and validated by others. If you, instead of focusing on receiving praise and appreciation from others, focus on your motivation to succeed, your charisma and your ability to work hard, you can turn out to be a great leader and a perfect role model. Your inherent drive to be the best and your desire to enrich the lives of others would fashion you into a force that would bring great good for the life of many people in your circle of life. In doing so, while you will satisfy your natural drive and ambition, boost your self image, you will also become a person who would do a great deal of good to those around you. We see how the qualities of type 3 people can be positively put to use if we take a glance at the life of Oprah Winfrey, the famous television personality who is an Enneagram type 3 person. Secondly, the constant and relentless pursuit of success can burn you out, as it implies aiming higher, working harder, and never stopping until the job is done. And this process is constant and never ending. This can make you feel stressed, overstretched, and constantly concerned about potential failure. Hence, you must remember to be kind to yourself every now and then. You must learn to rejoice in your success instead of rejoicing in the praise other people give you for your success. You must validate yourself for your success instead of waiting for others to validate you for your success. You must remember that the praise and the validation that comes from within you, from your own internal self talk, is in fact much more significant than the praise and validation that comes from others. Hence, as a type 3 person, you must acknowledge the ways in which you unintentionally deceive yourself and others by struggling so hard to receive validation from outside through your success. You must realize that your value as a person does not consist in your achievements or how public perceives your achievements. You must take a step back from activity periodically and appreciate what you already have and what you have already achieved in your life. You must focus on being yourself instead of becoming who you think the world and other people in it want you to be. Hence, if you are a type 3 person, you must remember that at your core, you are and you will be a great achiever and a performer. You must learn to rejoice in the divine gift of your personality and use the divine gifts associated with this personality type to help you to develop to your full potential and use them for the good of others and not to seek validation from others. This would make you a real achiever and a performer who can make a difference in the life of many people. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.